So these are the Honda CRF300Ls. Both of them we've installed the Yoshi RS4 exhaust on them. Made the video, I wanted to do a sound clip of the exhaust. With this one here, this actually has the baffle in it. So that's a spark arrestor, but it does quiet it down there a little bit as well. And one other thing, when you order this exhaust here, the way that it comes factory, there's actually no heat guard on it. So with this piece of metal running right there, if you get your legs even a little bit too close wearing pants, you will get burned on the side there. So yeah, this one right here, you have a look, no baffle in there, so we'll hear before and after. And with this one here, I actually took the OEM heat guard and just placed quite a few washers in behind it to space it out a little bit, and then put some C-clamps in behind there. So I'll fire this up and you can hear it. So this is a cold start, and this is with the baffle in. The only thing, it loses a little bit of the deeper tone, and then as you give it a bit of gas. It's still pretty loud, but it definitely tones it down. And then if you start this one up here, this is going to be a cold start as well. This one has no baffle inside of it. You can hear it's a little bit deeper. And when you give it gas, it's super loud like this. But the one thing I do find when you're running it like this, you get a lot of bad attention though too. If you get heavy on the gas, it's slightly too loud for most people. You're going to get a lot of people turning their heads there. To remove this baffle too, it's super easy. Just down below there's just this one rubber grommet. You just pull this out, Allen key slides up, and then you just remove this piece right here. Yeah, I hope that video helped to kind of get a sound comparison.